What's up guys, today I'll show you how to stop cropping of top and bottom video of TikTok video when you do voiceover or anything. So for that, let's go ahead and let's record a video in TikTok and let's save the video as private and make sure save to album option is on. Give it any name that you want and make sure, this is very important, to change that public to private, because if you make it public it will publish the video for public users on TikTok, and you don't want that to happen till you fix your video. You use this option to do voiceover or any other thing that you want to do in iMovie. So we will save that video, and then once it's saved we will go ahead and open up the iMovie. Let's click on the plus sign, let's select movie and select the movie that you want to work with. In this case the movie is open. Make sure you go to the beginning, and now once you select the option you will see that there is a zoom icon at the top. Click on it and from your hands make sure you zoom out. So basically once you zoom out it will fit the whole video in there. Now save that video, and it will save the video to your photos. Make sure that you select the highest resolution. Once you go back to the photos you will see the whole is not cropped from the top and the bottom. Enjoy guys.